आपने देखा कि slowly the process starts, no? Soft, then increase your voice, take them through the whole gamut of experience. You were a cow, गाय थे आप, black cow, okay?
घर देखा, घर के अंदर नीचे एक हिस्सा था ना, उसमें मैंने सो गया था, मेरे को उठने नहीं आता, एक थॉट आया था मलेरिया मलेरिया करके, थॉट
came to you, that's right. मलेरिया मलेरिया करके। आपको इस लाइफ में कभी मलेरिया हुआ है? नहीं। थॉट क्यों आएगा भला, है ना? अंडरस्टैंड, इस लाइफ में आपको कोई मलेरिया हुआ नहीं है, तो थॉट क्यों आएगा मलेरिया का? एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है मलेरिया का, करेक्ट, पर थॉट आ रहा है मलेरिया, ओके, एंड यू डाइड।
मेरा प्रॉब्लम मैं बोल दिया था, मेरा पैसा नहीं आ रहा है, क्या क्या करते हैं, बिजनेस करते थे पहले, उसको क्या संबंध है मालूम नहीं।
थॉट तूने डाला था कि पैसा नहीं आ रहा है, बिजनेस करती थी पर पैसा नहीं आ रहा है, और आपने देखा कि आप एक गाय थे, तो काउ कैसा, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एन एनिमल इज इट? सॉफ्ट, जेंटल, it can't do anything. Whatever the cow has is used by others. आपने जब बिजनेस किया था तो आपको लगा था कि दूसरे लोग आपको चीट कर सकते हैं? काव क्या करती है? अपनी जो चीजें हैं वो दूसरों को देती है। इट्स अ वेरी जेनरस एनिमल, है ना? दूध की सब चीजें, अरे गाय की सब चीजें काम में आती है ना? दूध, उसका मीट, उसका हॉर्न्स, उसके आईज, उसके हूफ्स, जो पैर होते हैं वो भी काम में आते हैं, पता है? गाय का हर चीज काम में आता है। इसका मतलब है इनकी लाइफ में जो पैसा आना चाहिए था वो क्यों नहीं आया? क्योंकि लोग उसको चीट करते थे और उसको इतनी समझ नहीं थी कि कैसे मुझे अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए। आपको क्या बॉडी में ऐसे जैसे थकान होती है, टायर्डनेस?
नो,
टायर्डनेस नहीं है।
Leaving my daughter and wife alone, and I died due to heart attack, I believe. My left hand was terribly paining during it.
Okay. That's good. So you had a catharsis. The pain,
pain was terrible actually while I was
I think
living.
you're making some noise, right?
Yeah, I was doing that actually. I had a terrible pain while leaving the body.
So good.
Yeah.
So that's out.
That's out. Yeah.
Wonderful. So you can have some releases like this also. Excellent. Thank you. So spirit releasement work, yeah. Spirit releasement work is very vast, yeah. Lot of stuff that we teach in that. But there are certain little pointers I can give you. How do you know that somebody has a spirit attached? There must be some signs, correct? So what are those signs? Tell me. Yeah, but if somebody is walking to you, someone, patient or client coming to you for the first time, how will you know this? There is a spirit attached. You have not done any work with that client. How will you know that a spirit is attached to this person? There are 3 signs. 1, you ask them whether the color of their skin has changed in the last 1 year. If a spirit is attached, the color of the skin will change. We will say, पहले मैं बहुत गोरी थी, अभी थोड़े साल एकदम काली पड़ गई हूँ. They may have patches on their skin, patchy skin, साफ नहीं है, like grey धब्बे, patchy. Their skin is dull, very dull. It's like paper. Paper कैसा होता है? Grey paper, एकदम dull paper. Skin has no luster, and they will tell you that somehow their color has changed over the last 1 year. That's one sign. Second, their body कैसा होता है हमारा? Trunk जो है हमारा, trunk is little bigger, right? सबका trunk जो है वो बड़ा होता है, correct? हाथ छोटे हो सकते हैं, पतले हो सकते हैं, but trunk generally is healthy, correct? ये शरीर हमारा. When spirit is attached to your body, this shrinks. Body जो है वो shrink दिखता है आपको, ऐसे shrunk हो जाता है. मुझे लगता है कि हाथ ऐसे लटके हुए हैं. When they are walking, you feel कैसे चल रहा है एकदम ऐसे.
Sort of heaviness.
Yeah, so their body will appear shrunk. He said eyes sunken हो जाती है, अंदर हो जाती है. And the third sign that I have seen is they are disoriented. बात कर रहे हैं but ध्यान कहीं और. They are confused. They start talking, then they talk about something else, then about something else, then about something else. Thought process is not linear, straight नहीं है. And another thing I have noticed, they will always complain of some body ache. Shoulders, some stomach, just aches and pains. Spirit जब attached होता है हमारा back portion always feels heavy. They will tell you this. कैसा लगता है कि वजन है body के ऊपर. Medically they are fine, most of them. But they will still complain of pain. These are the physical signs that I have seen when a spirit is attached. The more you develop your power of clairvoyance, you can see if the spirit is attached. They'll be like this, bent, थोड़े से. Eyes are staring. Noticed it? They're not normal. Staring eyes होती है. Straight like this. Eyes are wider. खुली होती है. हम जैसे blink करते हैं ना, वो ज़्यादा blink नहीं करते, वो एकदम stare करते हैं. And there is some fear. Most spirit releasement work, patients will always say, डर लगता है. नींद नहीं आती ठीक से इनको, रात को. You know, these are the signs. Then you know, okay, हो सकता है that this person has a spirit attached. Now spirit releasement जब करते हैं, there are various techniques, but one technique is quite good, where you tell the person, because देखो spirit जो है ना वो एकदम सामने नहीं आता, डिफिकल्ट होता है, और अगर बहुत सालों से है तो और डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. So you tell that person, don't talk to the spirit in the beginning state. Yeah? Tell that person, I want you to imagine कि इस दरवाजे से कोई अंदर आ रहा है. Imagine कि उस दरवाजे से कोई अंदर आ रहा है जिसके साथ तेरी बनती नहीं है, जो तुझे परेशान कर रहा है. Correct? Because this person doesn't know who that spirit is. Right? मुझे नहीं पता spirit का क्या नाम है, क्या करता है, कुछ भी नहीं मालूम मुझे. So we can use the power of imagination. Now the spirit knows who it is. Correct? Now this spirit is suggesting to this person. ऐसा बोल, ऐसा बोल, ऐसा बोल, ऐसा बोल. So imagine that somebody is coming from the door. Now tell me, who has come from the door? Imaginary person है. The person will say, मुझे लगता है कि ऐसा है, ऐसा है, ऐसा है, ऐसा जो भी है. Now this person is taking you. Your consciousness is being taken by this person. And this person is going to take you away from this place. Then इंडक्शन करो, एक ब्रिज है और ब्रिज के ऊपर से तुम जा रहे हो, ये आदमी तुम्हें ले जा रहा है, जो भी है ले जा रहा है दूसरी तरफ, और पुल के दूसरी तरफ वो पूर्व जीवन है जिसके अंदर इसने पहली बार तुम्हारे साथ नाता जोड़ा था, रिलेशनशिप फॉर्म की थी। इनवेरिएबली हमने देखा है कि द स्पिरिट दैट इज अटैच्ड इज एक्चुअली दैट पर्सन, दैट दिस पर्सन, बिकॉज व्हेन द स्पिरिट इज अटैच्ड आई नो देयर इज समथिंग, मुझे पता है कि कुछ है। सो दिस वे थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ इमेजिनेशन यू कैन access the lifetime of the spirit. And when that lifetime is getting over, you can release that spirit in that life. Force करोगे तो जाएगा नहीं, generally उसको वहां छोड़ के आओ, समझ रहे हो ना? जैसे जैसे उसको रिजॉल्व करके वहां छोड़ के, then say you are leaving away, and that form, that body is dying, जो भी था वो, and you are moving away from that. Fill that body with light, etc., etc. उसको heal करते निकल जाओ, because हम उसको ले जा रहे हैं। एक चीज हमेशा याद रखो, स्पिरिट फॉर्म्स जो होते हैं उनको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, पर वो डर के मारे नहीं जाते। कोई बहुत साल हो गए उनको इस बॉडी के साथ में, इसलिए वो जाते नहीं, इसलिए हमको उसको इस तरह से ले जाना। स्पिरिट्स भी चाहते हैं कि वो चले जाए, they also want to go away. See, this is one technique which is simple. और भी कई टेक्निक्स होती है, जैसे कि आप उसको जोर से कमांड दो, give command, I am talking to you, I am not talking to this person का नाम लेकर, मैं तुमसे बात कर रहा हूँ। In that space of induction, उससे तुमसे बात कर रहा हूँ, कौन हो तुम, क्यों इसके साथ हो, and see if the voice of that person changes. अगर वॉइस चेंज हो जाता है तो फिर आप इमीडिएटली स्पिरिट के साथ बात कर सकते हैं। बहुत टाइम पहले एक लड़की मेरे पास आई, आई कुड सी द स्पिरिट, इट वाज डार्क, पूरा उसका ऑरा काला सा हो गया था, ग्रे ऑरा था, एकदम खाली सी अजीब सी हो गई थी वो। आई डिडंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट हर एंड शी टोल्ड मी, शी डिडंट टेल मी एनीथिंग। मैंने कहा कि यार, I said, have you been to any religious? Another thing they will tell you is they'll tell you एक उम्र के बाद मेरी personality change होगी, ऐसा आप बोलेंगे वो लोग। No? So this girl told me कि when she was after the 10th standard, 15 years or something, she said after that no, I've just changed. So I asked her, have you been to any religious place at that age? This is another question you can ask people. Have you been to any religious place, any funeral? So she told me that she had been to Haridwar and Rishikesh at that age of 15. I said, okay. And I said, okay, so let's do a session. Then she told me, ma'am, I have to tell you something. Now that you are asking me this. जब वो हरिद्वार और ऋषिकेश गई थी, I don't know, I have not been there, but she said like mountain में ऐसे छोटे-छोटे lane roads there, and she was running, like her parents were walking behind, and she was going in the front. She said suddenly she heard some sound of kind of mantras, जप कोई कर रहा है, chanting, and it was like there are some steps in the mountain, and then some temple was there. So she said I just ran up mantra के, as if that mantras were pulling me. She said, I ran the steps and I went to one, एक छोटा मंदिर था, ऐसा हवन कुंड था, and some sadhus were sitting and they were doing some pujas. But she said, very interesting, she said, कि when she was going to that temple, there was a tree, और tree के ऊपर एक कौवा था, okay, and that crow flew ऐसे and went away. That's it. And she said, I don't know what happened to me, but I got mesmerized by that mantra. And I was getting pulled towards that havan. फिर वो जो guide था उसने shout किया उसका नाम, Shri Shri, and she came down running. And the guide said, why are you going there? You must not go there. ऐसा कुछ करके. But she said, after that, मेरा personality बदल गया. अब वो कौवे के अंदर क्या जीव था, क्या था, अब जब मैंने उसका बात की ना तो उसको सडनली ये याद आया. शी इज 35, भूल गई थी, क्या कोई याद नहीं रखता ये. बट उसके बाद जब हमने सेशन किया उसके साथ, actually that spirit was with her. The spirit which was in the crow, it had taken that crow form, and the spirit actually changed his voice. It was a man, and he told me that he had gone away from his home to become a sadhu, and he was sitting on the banks of Ganga. This was his life, and he had left behind his daughter and his wife and his mother and father. वो भाग गया था घर से साधु बनने के लिए, और वहां गंगा के किनारे वो बैठा था. और उस टाइम पे दिस गर्ल, ये लड़की, कोई लड़की उसको दिखी होगी, सम यंग गर्ल, नॉट दिस गर्ल, नॉट श्री,